Welcome to part 28 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course. In this video, we will learn about gradient mesh in Adobe Illustrator. While gradients are very limited in their control like linear, radial or even freeform, a gradient mesh is a way to have complete control over gradients. Gradient mesh button may be hidden beneath the gradient tool button on the toolbar. Right-click the top button to reveal any hidden buttons under it. Another way to find it is from the overhead menu, Object, Create Gradient Mesh. This tool only works when an object is selected. Otherwise, the Create Gradient Mesh option will grey out. You can create gradients with a fresh new look. Let me show you this how you can do it. Make an oval with a black fill. Gradient mesh can be applied to any shape created with a fill color. The starting color of your object works as the base color of your gradient. With the gradient mesh tool selected, click anywhere once on the upper right area of this oval to start applying the mesh. Now with the direct selection tool, click on the point that you made with the gradient mesh tool to select it and change that point's color to white. Now you can make more points in your shape using the gradient mesh tool and assign colors to each of those points and the points at the edges. You can add or delete anchor points at any point in the process. These points can be edited or selected with the direct selection tool in exactly the same way that points in an object are. Like the points and the path of the shape, gradient meshes are fairly awkward to work with at first. Move the anchor points and handles to see how the colors move and react with one another. Moving anchor points can create harsh lines between the colors. These harsh lines can replicate 3D shapes and produce lighting on your object. Adding lighter or darker colors will add to the 3D effect. You can even create your own 3D shapes. The gradient mesh tool in Illustrator is a great way for bringing illustrations to life. The mesh tool allows you to place, angle and move gradients shown in a way they might fall realistically on a 3D object. This takes working with gradients to a whole new level. That's all in our part 28 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 29.